What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel, where I do weekly pick-a-card readings that challenge you to explore all things growth. And this is our first A.S.M.R. February predictions reading. All you're going to do is take a deep, mindful breath in and meditate on the decks that I have provided. The first deck is the Practical Magic deck. The second deck is the 420 Tarot. The third deck is the Lioness Oracle Tarot. And the fourth deck is the Enchanted Tarot. You can choose by picking a tarot deck, or you can stay and choose by sound. Again, you're going to take a deep, mindful breath in, close your eyes, and concentrate on each sound. Here's sound number 1. Sound number 2 for the 420 Tarot deck. Sound number 3 for the Lioness Oracle Tarot. Sound number 4 for the Enchanted Tarot. So that's pile number 1. Pile number 2, pile number 3, and pile number 4. The timestamps will be in the description down below, so when you're ready, let's grow. What's up, pile 1? You chose the Practical Magic deck and the Sound Bolt sound. These are your predictions for the month of February, the year 2021. This is a collective reading, so please take what resonates with you and leave on the table what doesn't for who it belongs to. Here's the shuffle. Alright, pile one. For the month of February, I'm seeing a lot of new communication coming in. Some togetherness happening. Maybe a need for celebration towards the middle or the end of February. Some of us are going to be getting out more because mentally we're feeling trapped. Some of us are feeling alone because of a lack of trust for the people that we have around us. We have to start using the month of February at the beginning. It looks like we're going to start using that to actually start recognizing the direction that we're going in and what is and what is not serving us. All of those things seem to be brought to light at the beginning of February. And then you start working on them in your direction and cutting people off towards the beginning and middle of February. And then towards the end of February, that's when you just have your main group of healers and people that motivate you and people that will push you forward. That's all you're going to be surrounded by the end of February, because you're going to get this spark at the beginning and start realizing what your purpose is, and you're going to really get that drive at the beginning of the month. Throughout this month, you're really going to be combating the feeling of loneliness and a feeling of being trapped that you've had in the month of January. So we're really going to be getting over a hump of you just kind of sitting in the house and looking out the window and wishing you could go to the beach or go have a picnic or just wishing and hoping you could do these things and not being afraid to go out and do them. There's things that you can do that's social distance friendly. You can go to the beach on your own. I mean, I don't know where the fear lies to where you think you can't go out and about in nature. So in the month of February, that is going to be your goal, is to your self-care routine is going to be getting out and connecting with the people that serve you the most. A lot of communication. Some of your guys' judgment right now is cloudy. You have some obstructions. You have some things that aren't being told to you truthfully. And towards the middle of the month, those are going to come to light. And for some of you, these untruths that are going to be brought to you towards the middle of the month, that's what's going to put you in a feeling of loneliness and a distrust. But it's happening for the greater good. It's happening for your growth. So take the time to heal from this news that you get this month. And you're not alone. You do have a support system if you do need help with this news that you receive this month. But you are divinely guided by one. You are divinely guided. You got this. So whatever bump comes in, whatever, it could be a person, it could be a text message, it could be an email that you receive. But a lot of you are going to be getting some information towards the middle of the month that isn't going to be, I'm not saying that it's bad news, because again, it's for the greater good. But the word disturbing is going to disturb some of you. For some of you, it's going to be just a nuisance or a mild inconvenience. But some of you guys take mild inconveniences too personal, or you feel like it's a punishment from your ancestors or your higher power, or you feel like you're being bumped off track, when no, you really need to just kind of slow down and see how this energy is allowing you to grow and helping you see the things in your life that aren't serving you and giving you the strength to walk away from them and to trust the people in your life that are here to help you, because you do have a lot of those. You don't need to be sitting at home alone, afraid to connect. All right, pile one, that's what I got for you. For the month of February, a lot of you guys are going to get some news that's going to be something that you really didn't see, but it's really going to make you see the light. A lot of you guys are going to get a spark at the beginning of the month that's going to push you through. It's going to help you trust and connect more. It looks like a very community and communication type month for you. At the end of the month, you're totally going to lose this feeling of being alone and misunderstood. All right, pile one, if this reading resonated with you, I'd love to hear from you in the comments down below. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. It is completely free to join my tribe. I love you. You have a wonderful day, and always be mindful of your growth. What's up, pal 2? You chose the 420 tarot in the my rings in this old wheat jar sound. These are your predictions for the month of February 2021. Here's your shuffle. All right, pal 2. It looks like you're going to have some new opportunities coming in the month of February. Some that a lot of you created on your own from this balancing act that you've been doing. You're going to be coming out of a cycle towards the end of February. So this new opportunity is going to stop you from this indecisiveness. It's going to give you the opportunity to stop with this repetitive thing that you've been trying to balance or control throughout January. You do have the power to create the life that you want, pile 2. And these new opportunities that are coming in at the beginning of the month or sometime in the month of February, you created those all on your own. So stop working so hard to see the fruits of your labor. This repetitive, indecisive nature definitely needs, cycle that you go through, definitely needs to come to an end with, it seems to be, you are on the verge of workout because you are on the verge of burnout because you're addicted to your work or this thing that you're trying to create. A lot of you guys have a job and a lot of you guys have a business and a lot of you guys just have this artistic thing or this spiritual thing that you're trying to help grow. And this new opportunity that's going to come in, this new idea, this new line of communication, somebody could send you something via email, via text, and it could just spark this new idea that helps you put down one of these things that aren't serving you, because some of you guys have a codependency issue where you're dependent on one of these things when you really don't need it. As you can see, she's doing well. She has the prosthetic leg, but she's balancing just fine. But she doesn't even have to do all of that. She does not have to do as much as she's doing because she is very, very magical. So these repetitive cycles that you're doing, you're going to start noticing which ones are going to push you forward and help you with this creative thing that you're trying to do, and which ones aren't. And you're really going to use this new opportunity to start cutting out the things that are just a repetitive nuisance. A lot of you guys are working on your health. A lot of you guys are working on your diet, and it's starting to become a chore for you. So you're going to need to, in the month of February, just either find the discipline to continue on with this repetitive diet and exercise that you're doing, or you're going to have to add a little pizzazz to it so that you're not being bored. Your workouts and your things that you do for your body is a form of self-care. So if you're using that as a self-care routine and it starts to become a chore, then it defeats the purpose. So put a little bit more spark in this new diet, put a little bit more spark in this new workout routine that you got to go on. Pay close attention to the things that you might be overly consuming or be codependent on or think that you need when you really don't need them. Because it's a lot of things in your life that you're balancing and it's repetitive and you're indecisive. Do I need this? Don't I need it? But a lot of you guys are very intuitive, and there's a lot of you that know the things in your life that you need to just let go of. So in the month of February, pay close attention to these new opportunities that you created on your own. It's not something that you're going to be like, oh my God, I can't believe. It's going to be like, yeah, this is something that I've been manifesting, and I can't believe it's happened actually. So you're going to believe it, but not believe it at the same time. You're going to know it's coming, but not believe it actually came, is what I'm trying to say. So just be careful that you're not going to burn yourself out in the month of February with repetitive, indecisive cycles that you go through. So let's end that cycle. Let's put a little pizzazz in our diet and workout routine and just wait for these opportunities that you created all on your own. All right, that is your month of February pile 2. If this reading resonated with you, please like, share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. It is completely free to join my tribe. I love you. Have a wonderful day, and always be mindful of your growth. What's up, pile 3? You chose the Lioness Oracle Tarot and the sound of the bracelets. This is your February 2021 predictions. Please keep in mind that this is a collective reading, so pick up what resonates with you, and whatever doesn't, just leave on the table for who it belongs to. Here's your shuffle. All right. Pile 3. If you were drawn to pile 2 as well, I would watch that one because that pile also had the new opportunities that you have coming in, and they also had this issue with indecisiveness as well. So in the month of February, it is necessary for you to just make the decision that's going to it's going to put you on a better course to this new financial opportunity. With the last, with pile number 2, it wasn't a financial opportunity. It was something different. It was like it could be anything because it was the Ace of Swords. But with the Ace of Pentacles, that's normally meaning a blossoming of something financial or a manifestation that you were trying to create, something tangible, something material. So some new money or material things are going to happen for you as soon as you stop with this crown chakra overthinking, self-sabotaging, imposter syndrome situation that you got going on. A lot of you guys are competitive, but you're competing with yourself here. You're competing with your own growth, and you're stunting it with this overthinking and this over worry. You are on the right path. You have a great intuition. You are very wise and very smart, and I see nothing but success coming towards you. But some self-love needs to happen so you can stop with the worry, so that you can see all of the growth that you've created for yourself already, so that you can see how strong and wise that you really are. A lot of self-love is needed. A lot of self-care is needed in the month of February, so that you can some of you guys are artists and you're like on a creative block right now. Some of you guys are business owners and you just don't know which step to take. Some of you guys are wanting to start a business and you just don't know what path to go on. But a lot of you just need, a lot of you guys want to create and want to receive the things that you know that you are deserving of. But you're coming from a place of desperation and not a place of deservingness. So you need to switch that vibration with some more meditation, some more spiritual baths. A lot of you guys need a spiritual bath and some just a little bit more deep-rooted shadow work, so that you can switch your vibration from lack and desperation to knowingness and deservingness, because you should know 100% that success is in your destiny. You're destined to be successful. So it's okay for you to take the month of February to slow down and relax and take care of yourself, because as soon as you sit down, you'll start discovering new things about yourself, and you'll start having these new ideas that will put you on the right path to these new opportunities, these new financial opportunities, these new creative opportunities, because you are the key. There is no outside source that's going to help you develop these things that you know that you are destined for. So just slow down, take care of yourself. Know that you are strong, know that you are wise, know that success is in your destiny. You just have to take care of yourself for the month of February. Make sure you're taking care of your body as well as your mind in February. And then you're going to be sitting in a meditation, and it's just going to be like that. A brand new idea is going to come to you, and it's going to take you to this abundance. All right, pile 3. If this reading resonated with you, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If you haven't already, it is completely free to join my tribe. I love you. Have a wonderful day, and always be mindful of your growth. What's up, pile 4? You chose the Enchanted Tarot and the Mini Bell sound. This is your 2021 February predictions. Let's keep in mind that this is a collective reading, so take what resonates with you and what doesn't, just leave it on the table for who it belongs to. Here's your shuffle. All right, so pile 4, I see a lot of blossoming of your manifestations and your work in the month of February. You guys have been working hard. Some of you guys, it's been a group effort. If it hasn't been a group effort and you've been struggling throughout the month of January, February is that time to collaborate with someone or not be afraid to get some assistance, because I do just see an abundance blossoming around you in the month of February. There is some new information or some new ideas that you will be getting in the middle of February that will shift your job or your business or your means of finances, and it will transform it, blossom it into a situation to where you can start being more, you can start contributing more to the people that you're working so hard for. So if you're a single parent, you're going to get a boost in your finances, or you're going to get another job that's going to be better for you and your kids. If you are starting a small business, you're going to get some assistance with that so that it can excel. if you are at a job right now that you feel like you're alone on, you will start getting some assistance so that your job you won't feel like you're working too much and receiving less for the job or for the work that you're putting in, if that makes sense. So you're gonna, in the month of February, you're gonna start feeling grateful for the job that you have, because the people around you will start showing gratitude towards the work that you put in, and you'll get a raise, or you'll just start getting more tips at work. You're just really going to start see a blossoming in your finances and your material needs. A lot of you are going to be rediscovering a new connection in your love life. A lot of you guys are going to be starting a new diet in the month of February, where like I don't know, I see sushi. Like these little things right here remind me of sushi rolls. So some of you guys are going to be trying new things that you haven't tried before, but a lot of you really need to work on just communicating your wants and your needs, especially if you're in a solo act, being a single mom or a solopreneur. You really need to start connecting in the month of February with people that can help you grow, and people that can assist you with these things that you're trying to manifest, because you are the creator of your destiny. But a lot of you guys are working hard, not just for yourself, but for the people around you. Some of it isn't kids, some of it you guys have parents that you're trying to look out for, some of it you guys have siblings, some you're like the oldest sibling, and you want to make sure that your siblings are okay in life. But you can do that, but you yourself also need some assistance with whatever it is that you're trying with your desires, Pile 4. But I just see a lot of growth, a lot of changes in your health that are positive, a lot of changes in your love life that are positive. I see a lot of you guys have been really working on yourself and the self-love, and you're really going, and the self-care, and you're really going to start seeing the fruits of that. I know it's hard to notice that self-love and those spiritual baths and those meditations and the workout, it's hard to recognize when those things are working until you kind of get that glimpse in the mirror, or someone tries to bait you and you don't get upset as easily as you usually do. So really start paying attention to those changes in February, because you're not recognizing how much you've changed already. You feel like you're putting in the work, but you're not really seeing how much you've actually grown and changed. And in February, you're really going to start seeing that and being proud of yourself, and start sharing it with the people around you. So I see health, I see love, and I see opportunities for people that are feeling like they're doing things all on their own. All right, Pile 4, this is a beautiful reading. If it resonated with you, please leave a comment down below. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If you haven't subscribed already, it is completely free to join my tribe. I love you. Have a wonderful day, and always be mindful of your growth.
Watch them grow, perceive, devote. This is the seed, like the show. Watch them grow.